Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to learn any language using Duolingo app, and this app is absolutely available on iOS, Android, Mac and Windows operating system, available on anywhere. Duolingo is American platform that including language learning website and mobile app, as well as digital language performance assignment exam and many more features are available on Duolingo app. Let's start demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Open your Google and just type here Duolingo and then enter. So first URL is come Duolingo, the world's best way to learn any language, like logging Duolingo English test, courses, Spanish, learn French, many more. Click in this link and look at this website look like that way, and several language options are come here. Nowadays I am learning German language using Duolingo app. You can learn any language like German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, Japanese, Arabic, Czech, Danish, Greek and many more languages are available here, and this application available on your platform. So create your account. I have already created my account in Duolingo app, so I log in. Because of your progress automatically store and your application, and this is my progress available on here. My rank is 26 for the learning in this specific language. You can learn here, just like many options are available here. You select here language, like I learned Danish, but you can join here German. So look at this, how many people are learn in this language. 8.65 million learn nowadays. Spanish 27.6, French 15.7, Japanese. Ratio and Indian languages like Hindi language also available, but a ratio is very less, 1.98 MB people are learning this language. So I go with the German. So here several options also available, contribution of this German language, and then about this course. German is a spoken overall 200 million people around in the world, primary in Europe. Start the course. So here course are starting for the basic level, like basic, like here boy, man and woman. So this is a boy. I select and check. So your answer is absolutely correct. Continue. So man, which is a man. Spelling MAN and spelling man in German MANN, man. Same spelling, not a big difference actually, but sometimes is different showing. Mana. So man, select is absolutely correct. Continue. Woman. So which image is a ladies? So how to pronounce as a lady woman word? German, Fran. Continue. And John. You can click here, means a boy. Click. Continue. Like that way. Super impressive. This application is impressive. I am a woman. So how to say inch, bin? So not this in far. This is wrong. In being in fear. So this is a woman. In free. Great. I am a woman. Being in far. Perfect. Congratulations. Basically today earn 27 XP today. Lesson completed plus 10 XP and then combo bonus 4 XP. Continue. You can learn same process as up to a challenge. Continue and follow this restriction and earn this language. You can click here and add many more languages at a time, like Spanish also. Start the course and basic and just introduction, like which one the boy, which one the boy is no. You watch sometimes in Money Heist, so many times this word are come in the woman. Li Manjor. Sorry to say I'm not pronounced very well, but the woman, perfect. The man, this one. The girl, li ni ni. You can learn like that way in any language in the world. Which language you want to learn in your future life and some specific time duration, learn very easily any language. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.